Everyone, right, it is Monday. We are down in our Knowsley showroom, which is our HQ today, and there's some improvements going on, little projects going on in the showroom. So we've got a brand new one of our modular wow walls that's going up. So let's flip our camera and see. Donegan is going at it here. Right, it is Wednesday the 25th. I'm back in Knowsley today, and Paul and Matty are nearing completion of our wall. Spin around, Paul. What are we actually looking at? What are we installing and putting on this modular wall?
Right, so this is Paris flute, and it is Grigio.
And what about our back panel there for the TV? That looks quite fancy.
This is the HD series, and it's called
Venetino.
Venetino.
It's my favourite Venetino.
Venetino.
Part of the HD series from Bamboo Charcoal, which there's no messing about there. What size TV are we putting on with that?
75.
75 inch. That is going to look absolutely unreal. What's it been like to install, Paul?
Yeah, it's been okay. Yeah, just nice flat wall.
Good. Any tips for anyone who's wanting to install one of these themselves?
Yeah, give me a call.
Good Paul. It is the main man. There's a reason we put them on this. As we can see here, I'm having a little look here. So this has been studded out. Been studded out at the back of the HD panel, because there's going to be a LED strip behind that. Using the LED strip, once that's illuminated, it's going to give the effect that that panel is coming off the wall. Well, it is coming off the wall, but it's going to look fancy. Which LEDs, we'll have them on the new control down there with the Bespoke Panoramic 2000S, but we're nearing completion. Our TV is here, bracket is on, it is nearly good to go. I think the lads will have this finished in about half an hour. Right, let Paul crack on with his work and let's get back to it. Right, Wednesday 10 o'clock and the renovations, the improvements in the showrooms going on. Seen before earlier, Donegan at the back there, he's finishing off that modular wall. But we've got a 2000 Panoramic 2000 3DP in the showroom that has a 75 inch TV also above it. Let's flip. There we go. That's so we can get our light on it. There we go. Okay, so very popular, stands alone, media wall, 2000s, very popular with it being TV being smaller than the actual fire, so it's slimmed down. But we want to change this up a little bit. So what we're going to do, we're getting bamboo charcoal so we can see the colour on it. It's got a bit of dust on there at the moment. It's got protective film on it. But we're going to wrap this chimney breast with part of the bamboo charcoal. Where it gets finished off. This will all peel off and finish with the gold profile. That is going to look absolutely unreal. So if you've got an existing media wall, completely change it up. Why not get in touch, get some samples? I'll put it in the description, the website, and go on there and get some from Bamboo Charcoal. But yeah, we'll revisit this. We've got Matty on this one at the moment. Right, it's a Wednesday afternoon and we've just had some more samples sent around. And we had a sample box from Bamboo Charcoal, but we got taken to our Rockier showroom. Sample boxes, now you can order these individually, you don't have to order them as a full set. A couple of the different things that you'll go in there, for example, you'll have these. So if you go onto their website, you'll see these, and these called the flutes. These are these parts of the wall, loads of the texture in them. So there's a couple of different, I think we've got 4 different choices of those. You're going to have all your different, your trims, your connecting trims. So they're the ones that are going to be going in between. And what else have we got? Let's have a little look. There we go. And then you've got all your different types of actual panels. So they're from the HD range. And then you've got all your different colours. Plenty of choice in there. Loads of different, so you've got some like a leather finish, loads of a shinier finish. So you've got like that, like your gold finish on the wall. Plenty in there. There's a ridiculous amount, to tell you the truth. That means there is a bit of something for everyone. So you can go on their website, go on Bamboo Charcoal UK's website, get on and get your samples ordered. If not, come down to one of our showrooms and we've got all the samples here. Come down, have a look at the colours, and then we can start your journey and get these sent off. Get it all measured up for you. We'll draw it out with you, work out exactly how many panels. Just get us the space that's the space where it's going. Get all that measured. Get the dimensions for us, and then we can start designing it and getting your board sent out. Quick video, right? So I've got our 2000S set up. Connected, right? What comes with the X and the S? LED snoldering and embers. And so they come. These will be in the bag with your fuel beds. See, connections on them. LED strip on the back, self-adhesive strip if you want to use it, but I don't put the self-adhesive strip in, just in case you want to take these out. Right, so there's 4 little ports here. Let's find these. I might put that in the right way. There we go. There it is, lit up. So when you're putting your fuel bed in, so I put this near the back of the fuel bed. Put the logs, organic husk and everything on top of them. And you do get the 4, but I think in the depth of the 2000s, you don't need to, I don't think you need to have the 2. But it's nice to have that luxury to have them. And then when you're also doing them, you want to cover the light bulb so you don't see them, because you just want to see it glow. You don't want to see an actual LED bulb. Little tip for you, but I'll show you once it's finished. Right, first bag of husk in there. Organic husk, get it all out. You will get 2 bags of that, so I've only brought one around because I'm only filling one fire. But we're going to want to put this all over and start getting these light bulbs covered. More than likely, you're going to need a little hoover for this. Right, I'm going to place the logs down and then I'm going to start covering it and we will come back. So, and to show what I mean when I say cover these lights. Let's get some of the bigger logs in here. So, gloves on, they've been burnt, so it's on one big charcoal fingers. Right, 4 large ones go down, then we'll start overlapping after that. Cover all the niggly bits. Always have your hoover on hand. Just little waste. There it is, end of Wednesday, and it's done. The lads have finished it. Floating 2000S in one of our modular walls. It is wrapped in, what's that in, Paul? Polar white? Yeah, polar white marble on there. Backlit with all LEDs. We've got our HD range out of the bamboo charcoal with the 75-inch TV, and then we've also gone with Paris flute. Paris is the name of the colour. So if you're ever going onto Bamboo's website, you'll know that there's different ranges on there. And we've also gone with a LED marble. What are they called? Pelmet. Call me a helmet then. Pelmet. But yes, it looks the absolute business, especially with the dark oak storage space in here. That is an absolute winner. Gold trim on our back TV panel. If you're ordering from Rockyer or you're ordering from our Knowsley showroom, come down and we offer a full installation service. Anything you want to talk about when it comes down to dimensions, we have these to fit all different walls, going from a 3 metre up to the 8 metre. Whatever the project is, get in touch. But it is time to start wrapping things